What's up guys, I'm Amanda, Rappler's lifestyle and entertainment reporter, and I just got my Star Wanderer VIP kit from Wanderland Festival. Let's unbox it. So first up we have this. It's a mini version of the Wanderland poster with all the acts that we are going to be seeing on March 4 and 5. Next we have this. It's a GCash card. And it says, visit us at the GCash booth on March 4 and 5 to get your freebie. We also have this. It's a drink stub for 2 free drinks. Yay! And para sa mga mahilig sa stickers dyan like myself, they have stickers! Next, there is a really cute pair of socks. There's also a keychain. Yay! There's also a pin that says, we wander, we win. And it's definitely a win for Wanderland this year because they're coming back after 3 years. And this is the last thing in the box. It is a tote bag. And that's it. And I want to show you the box because it's really pretty. It says Wanderland the Comeback right there. And it's happening on March 4 and 5 at the Philinvest City Events Grounds. For more information, check out wanderlandfestival.com and follow Rappler for our coverage of the festival. See you there!